Greetings and welcome back to another how to draw video. If the thumbnail didn't give it away, I'm going to draw this ultra cute shark. Isn't he so huggable? Let's get to it. Feel free to draw along or just watch and enjoy. So let's start off with a circle. Obviously the cutest of shapes. Fight me if you disagree. Next, quick layout of some guides. Remember, this does not have to be neat. Everyone knows I'm not the neatest of artists, but like life, it all tends to work out in the end. Here I'm just mapping out basically where the mouth is. The upper lip is a lot more forward than the lower jaw, but at this point it looks like I've drawn a crab claw. Some quick teeth, and then the eye. Basically a dot with a little highlight. Now let's draw the fin, so we can actually glide through the water. And some rounded curves for the body and upper fin. Making everything rounder should make it look a lot more chonky and a lot cuddlier as well. With the basic sketch done, let's move on to line art. Get that quickly done, so we can move on to the colours. So here we have it, the cute little shark. Perfect for cuddling, or maybe just a quick doodle. Now for the artist question. Are there any animals you'd like to have a live drawing session with? I remember watching a video of the making of The Lion King, and I brought in real lion cubs and lions, obviously caged up, so they could learn how to draw them. If you enjoyed this video, why not watch my video on why you should use references? Or perhaps one that YouTube's recommended. Maybe also consider subscribing too. I'd really appreciate it if you did, and so I can alert you when we've got the next video out.